It is the top of the day. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me.
Welcome aboard Palm Springs Aerial Tramway and our new rotating tram cars, providing you with 360-degree views on your way to the top. We've just left the town station. And in 11 minutes, step out and with a completely different environment. It's a high country, off the Central State Park building, at an elevation 8,516 feet. We'll travel over 2.5 miles a day. At the top, the temperature averages some 40 degrees cooler. Wildflowers change, and the trees, flowers, and shrubs. We'll travel over 5 towers on our journey. The tallest is Tower 1, 227 feet. Stands a 21-story building. It's the only tower accessible by road. All other towers and the mountain station had to be constructed by transporting workers and materials to the various sites by helicopter.
Remember Disneyland in the old days? They used to have it.
The new rotating cars, the improvements include new drive system and the removal of 1,000 cubic yards of rock. We'll see survey marks along rock face that indicate where rock removal was required. The new cabins are the first in the Western Hemisphere to rotate 360 degrees during their travel and are the largest of their type in the world. We're now high over Chino Canyon. Once the summer home of the Arawak Caliente Band of Kuwait, India. Since there are many streams that flow year-round, the canyon has an abundance of vegetation, including sycamore, cottonwood, alder, black maple, and a great deal of wild grapevine. To the left of our travel, or south of the tram car, is but one of the many waterfalls that is fed by runoff from the mountain. During our upward journey, we pass through a variety of different life zones, ranging from the Sonora Desert to the Alpine Fringe. It's a little like making a motor trip from Mexico to Alaska. We believe this is the only place in Southern California with the shaded curve. As we approach tower number 2, top of the tower, you can see a 16 by 16 foot yellow helicopter platform used during construction and now used during the tram's maintenance period. Platforms will be seen on the remaining towers further along. Already noticed, we experienced a swinging motion as the tram car transitions from the track cable over the tower saddle and back to the track cable. This motion is the result of the car moving from the flexible track to the rigid tower and back to the flexible track. The original tramway was designed and built by the Von Roll Company of Bern, Switzerland, and all moving parts and cables are Swiss-made. The towers are American-made. There's a total of 27 miles of various sized cables that support movement and communication of the tramway. The largest of these are the track cables on which we ride. They weigh just under 9 pounds a foot, with each of these track cables 13,500 feet in length, therefore weighing a total of more than 61 tons. The halfway point on our trip is reached between towers 2 and 3. This happens past the other down the journey. While it appears the downward car is traveling how fast we are, it's actually moving at exactly the same speed. It must, because both cars are tied together by the hauling cables, which move with the car. You see, the drive system at the valley station is pulling that car down, and in turn is pulling us up. The two cars are 34 feet apart when they pass. The Palm Springs Aerial Tramway was first conceived in the early 1930s by a young electrical engineer, the late Francis Crocker, who to this day is known as the father of the tramway. The original tramway was completed in September 1963 after some 26 months of construction at a cost of $8.5 million, all financed with the sale of the revenue bond. In April of 1990, Palm Springs Aerial Tramway, contracted with the Von Roll Tramway, undertakes the construction and installation of these new rotating tram cars, one of which you were right, at a total cost of just as in the very beginning. No tax dollars were used, and the cost of construction and the operation of the tramway depends solely on its revenue. It is between Towers 3 and 4 we reach the lower span. It's one of the most dramatic sights of our entire trip. The majestic spire visible testimony of the solid granite core of these mountains. As we continue, the light zone changes become more obvious. We'll see a variety of natural residents high country include deer, mountain lion, fox, bobcat, raccoon, and the California gray squirrel.
Yeah, they're probably gone by now. Huh? They're probably gone by now.
Maybe your water.
The smallest is tower number 4, 57.5 feet tall, located at an elevation of 7,576 feet above sea level. From there, huge spectacular.
About 5 hours. 3 hours to
That's good.
No, we didn't.
Below, you will be able to see the desert Hill Valley and part of south of the
Maybe, but it's still pretty small.
And to the right of our travel is San Gorgonio at 11,499 feet, the tallest mountain in Southern California. We are nearing the end of our journey. In the state park and wilderness are more than 50 miles of summer hiking trails and, in winter, many miles of snowshoe cross-country ski opportunity. This is, by the way, one of the very few pristine wilderness areas in Southern California, and has been designated moderately easy trails found along mountains just behind and close to the station. For those who wish to adventure beyond the mountain station, be sure to take clothing and hiking boots and clothing. Please stay on prepared trails. So this magnificent wilderness setting. In the mountain station, you'll discover the Grand Restaurant with one of the finest panoramic views in the West. Available, as well as a gift and apparel show. A video on the construction of renovation is shown in the small theater. From the first deep snows, the Adventure Center is in operation with snow tubing, snowshoeing, cross-country skiing, rental, down the concrete trail. During summer weekends, state park volunteers can donate to times are posted at the mountain station. The tramway departments are now gone for the dress system. We hope you'll enjoy a visit to this beautiful wilderness environment, and we thank you for being with us on the Palm Springs Aerial Tramway.
Yeah.
I saw the map.
Said woohoo.